Hello from the very beautiful Rethymno. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening and the people are still on the beach and enjoying their bath. And I just want to share with you this beautiful hour with the sunset. And when I go a little bit to the right, we can see the pirate ship. It's a bit far from here, and I will turn on the right side so you can see a little bit still the people on the beach. And imagine that it is 8 o'clock in the evening, so it's still perfect. For the exactly time is 8:15. And here again the beautiful sunset of Rethymnon.